choose the right wash basin for your bathroom. Choosing the basin is actually something, when I design a bathroom, it comes very early in the process because it has an effect on the height of the vanity. Here we have an inset basin. It's fully built into the vanity, and it's great for a family, for instance, because it's easy to clean. You just wipe everything into the basin. This is, for instance, a semi-recessed wash basin. You see that the vanity depth is less and the wash basin protrudes out. This is great if you have a narrow bathroom, for instance, in your ensuite or a guest bathroom, because it's a great space saver. This is a semi-inset basin. Don't get mixed up with semi-recessed, because that was something different. Semi-inset means it's partly above the counter and partly below the counter. They look very classy in every bathroom. The integrated basin is made out of porcelain, and bench top and sink are molded seamlessly. That makes it super easy to maintain. So if you have a family and small kids, it's a great basin for you. The most popular wash basin is the above counter basin, and for good reason, because they come in different shapes and sizes. They come square, rectangular, oval, circular, and also in all different colors you can imagine and patterns. I would love to hear what basin style you prefer. Leave me a comment below, and thanks for watching. Bye.